Hello children, we saw in our last class, that is continuation of today's class, that is knowing our numbers. In this class let us see the topic estimation. Okay, today's topic is estimation. So what does mean by estimation? So we are calculating the approximate values. Okay, that is a rough calculation for the sums. Okay, that is we are doing a values, number, quantities for a rough calculation. In our daily life, we are seeing so many situations. Okay, so we come across so many situations to do calculations. Okay, there we are doing exact, accurate, where we are doing accurate calculation, it takes some time. Okay, so we are doing for that a rough calculations, that we can say it is a estimated values. Okay, so what does mean by estimation? A rough calculation for the values. Okay, what we are doing. Okay, so that is a rough calculation, we can say it is an estimation. So how to do the estimation here? Okay, let us learn. So you are in a learning stage. It is in the starting stage. How to learn the estimated values. Okay, so first we should see from a smaller number. Okay, that is the rounded of 10. Okay, tens. So estimated values for tens. Okay, so estimating to the nearest tens to rounding off. Okay, the first one, estimated values for nearest tens. Okay, so for rounding off tens. So what is the rules, what is the conditions here to round off the estimated values here? Okay, so we are taking 10, that is the smallest two-digit number. Okay, we are taking the smallest two-digit number, that is 10. Okay, we are rounding off 10. So here, what is the rules here to round off to the nearest 10? Okay, so that is here we should take from number 0 to 9. Okay, here the before 10 we have 0 to 9. Is it right? 0 to 9. Here we should take 0 to 9. So in this we should take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are all the numbers are less than 5. These are all the numbers are less than 5. Okay, so if less than 5 means it is all 1, 2, 3, 4 all nearer to 0. Nearer to 0. If it is greater than 5, if it is greater than 5 means that is 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these numbers are nearer to 10. Is it right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers are nearer to 0. And 6, 7, 8, 9, these are nearer to 10. Okay. And here we have, what is the middle number? 5. So 5 is also considered, it is nearer to 10 only. Okay. So nearer to 10. Okay. So we are taking two rules. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are comes nearer to 0. So we can round it off to 0. Okay. And then 5 is also included as to 6, 7, 8, 9. I told you now. See, 5 is also included as to 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are all also combined. These are all is nearer to 10. So this also comes in the unit place. Okay, in the number means this also rounded as also 0. Okay, we are rounded as also 0 and in tens place. So if 1, 2, 3, 4 comes means 1 unit place come in unit place comes 0. Okay, in unit place comes 0. That's it. But 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in these numbers are comes in units place means in units place we can write 0 and increase by 1 in tens place and increase by by 1 in tens place and increase by 1 in tens place. Okay. See the first concept, estimated values for nearest tens. Estimated value for nearest tens. So here we are taking only the 2-digit number. We are comparing. If we are taking any number, that is 4-digit number or 5-digit number or 6-digit number, in that we are comparing only the tens place and ones place. Understood? Nearest, that is rounded estimated value of nearest tens means if we are taking any number, if it is a 5-digit number also, we are considered only the 2 digits. That's units place and tens place only. Understood, children? So here in that nearest tens. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 is the first rule. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4 comes in units place. That units place is rounded off to 0. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 it comes in units place. Means that there also units place we are rounding it off 0 and increasing by 1 in tens place. Understood, children? Let us see one example. Okay. See example, I am taking 439. Okay. So here 439. See this comes under the second rule. Okay, this comes under the second rule. Why? So here in units place there is a 9. In units place there is a 9. Okay. So 9 comes. So in units place we are rounding it off 0. Okay. In units place we are rounding it off 0 and increase by 1 in tens place and increase by 1 in tens place. So we are increasing 1 in tens place means we are adding 1 here. Okay, we are adding 1 in tens place. So we have 4. So in hundreds place as it is. Okay. So if we are taking a 5-digit number, see, so 5000, 5-digit number I don't know. So 5-digit means see 54,633. Okay, I put like this. 54,633. Okay. So here see the hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000 place. These numbers are not changed at all. Why? Because we are rounding it off. That is estimated value for nearest tens. That is rounding it off only the 2 digits. That is units place and tens place. That's it. Okay. So here we don't change hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000 place. Okay. We can change this only units place and tens place only. Understood, children? So here see in units place we have 3. This comes under the rule 1. That is 3. Understood, children? So here, so units place is rounded it off 0. Units place is rounded it off 0. But in tens place there is no change. Okay. If 1, 2, 3, 4 comes in units place means there is no change in tens place. Okay. But 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 comes in units place means increase by 1 in tens place. There is a change in tens place. That is we are increasing 1 on tens place. Okay. So here 54,630 is the estimated value for 54,633. Understood? See the estimated value of 54,633 is 54,630. Understood? So now let us see one more example for this. Okay. That is it is given. See 41. It is given in your textbook. Okay. So 41 means we can round it off to nearest 10. So which is nearest 10? In units place there is a 1. So it is comes under rule 1. So rule 1 means only units place are changes into 0, but no changes in tens place. So the estimated value of 41 is 40. Okay. So now we are taking 57. So what is the estimated 6. So 60 is the estimated value of 57. Understood, children? Okay, now we move on to the second one. Okay, what is the second one? Estimated values for nearest 100. Estimated value for nearest 100. Nearest hundreds. Okay, estimated value for nearest hundreds. Here also we have the same two rules is applying to rounding it off to nearest hundreds. Okay, so that is we should take 1 to 49. Okay, the numbers from 1 to 49 is nearest to 0. The numbers 1 to 49 is nearest to 0. Okay, and the numbers 50 to 99 is nearest to 100. Is nearest to 100. Okay, so here also the same rule it applies in units place and tens place. Okay, in units place and tens place it comes. See, in units place we have 9 here. Okay, we have 9. But in tens place, see here we are rounding it off to 100. So we can see the tens place. What is the number here? In tens place, see in tens place the number comes from 1, 2, 3 and 4 means. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in tens place it comes means it round it off to 0. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 comes in tens place means it round it off to 0 and increase 1 into 1 in hundreds place. Okay, so here in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4 comes in tens place means it round it off to 0 as it is we are writing as it is in the hundreds place. Okay, and in tens place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 comes means it round it up to 0 and increase 1 in hundreds place. Okay, understood, children? See here, let us see one example. Okay, so let us take 5439. Okay, 5439. So we are taking 4-digit number here. So we round it off to nearest 100. So nearest 100 means we can take 3 digits. Units, tens and hundreds. See, units, tens and hundreds. See, in units place we are writing it to 0. If it is any number we can write it as 0. So let us consider the tens place here. Okay, so we are rounding nearest 100 means we are consider tens place. Okay, so in tens place we have here 3. Okay, so 3 comes in the root 1. Okay, 3 comes under root 1. So we can see that is 3. So it comes under root 1 means we round it up to 0. Okay, and there is no change in hundreds place. There is no change in hundreds place. Okay, so what is the estimated value for 5439? 5400. Okay, 5400 is the estimated value for 5439. See, if it is this number as 5484. Okay, 5484. See the value which is given in tens place. What is the number in tens place? 8. So 8 comes under the second rule. So 8 comes under second rule means that in tens place is rounded it off to 0. Rounded it off to 0 and increase 1 in hundreds place and increase 1 in hundreds place. Understood? See here 5000. So this 1's place is also 0 and 10's place is also 0. So in hundreds place increased by 1. So 5500 is the estimated value for 5484. Understood, children? See, keep it in your mind that is 1 to 40 place. Okay. See one, how one means 0 1. Okay. So that is understood 5401. Okay. So here we have 1. Okay. So like this 1 to 49 comes in tens place and ones place. Okay. In the given number. See 1 to 49, it rounded it off to 0. Okay. And if 50 to 99 comes in this number in tens place and ones place means, okay, so they also rounded it off to zeros and increase 1 in hundreds place and increase 1 in hundreds place. Understood children? This is very easy. Estimation is very easy to writing the estimated values and it is little bit difficult in estimated sum and estimated difference. Okay, let us see that also very easily. Okay children? Okay. Then the third point, let us see. What is the third point? Estimated value for nearest thousands. Estimated value for nearest thousands. Okay, estimated value for nearest thousands. Okay, these three are the very important. So here also same is applying in the 3 digits. Okay, we are considering the hundreds place. We are considering the number which is in hundreds place. Okay, so 1 0 0 1 2 499 0 0 1 to 499. Okay, 0 0 1 to 499. This is the first rule. Okay, it comes means we are rounded it off to 0 as it is. Okay, it rounded it off to 0 as it is. Okay, and 500 to 999. It comes means we are rounded it off to 0 and increase 1 in thousands place. Increase 1 in thousands place. Okay, it is very easy to understood. Okay, so that is before half of the numbers. Okay, so we have 1 to 10. See 1 to 10 means, so half of the numbers is 1 to 4 and 5 is coming to this way, 5 to 10, 9. Okay, 5 to 9. As the same in hundreds place and here also we are seeing in the thousands place as the same. Okay, that is 1 to 499 is the first rule. This comes under, that is we are rounding it up to 0 as it is. Okay, there is no change in the thousands place. But here 500 to 999. So this comes under the rule number 2. Okay, so that is here also we are rounded it off to 0 and it is nearer to 1000 than 0. So we can say here it is rounded it off to 0 and then increase 1 in thousands place. Increase 1 in thousands place. Okay, so here see, let us see one example. So 500 5404. See here we have 404. See in hundreds place we have 4. Okay, so here we are considering in hundreds place. So we are rounded it off to 1000. Okay, thousands place, nearest thousands. So here we are considering the hundreds place. In hundreds place, I told already in hundreds place 1, 2, 3 and 4 comes, it rounded it off to 0 as it is. Okay, and it comes in hundreds place 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means it rounded it off to 0. It rounded it off to 0 and increase 1 in thousands place and increase 1 in thousands place. Okay, and increase 1 in thousands place. So here see we have 4. It comes under rule 1. It comes under rule 1. Okay, so here we are rounded it off to 0. So we have the estimated value of 5404 is 5000. 5404 is 5000. Okay, so here we are taking, so 6784 is another example for nearest thousands. 6784 is the another example for nearest thousands. So we are rounding it off to 0, 0 and here also 0 and 1 is increased in thousands place. So 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the estimated value of 6784? That is 7000. The estimated value of 6784 is 7000. Okay, understood children? Okay. Now let us see the another topic. Estimating outcomes of number situations. Okay, number situations. Before this, let us see one example. It is given in your textbook. Okay, so that is, see, one number is given. We should round it off to these three conditions. Okay, so that is tens, hundreds, thousands, and this is same. That is considered to 10,000s also. Okay, so let us do that sum. Okay, see, it is given 75,847. So this is the number it is given to you to do the nearest numbers, that is nearest tens and nearest hundreds and nearest thousands and nearest 10,000s also. Okay, we can do as the same number to all the situations. Okay, so we can do one. First one is for nearest tens. Okay, so this is given. So nearest tens we can consider in units place. In units place, the other numbers are not considering. In units place we can change. Okay, in tens, nearest tens. So in the units place it is a 7. So 7 comes under rule 2. So rule 2 means, what is rule 2? The number is rounded off to 0 and increase 1 in tens place. Okay, so in units place 7 is there, it comes under rule 2. So rule 2, what is rule 2? The number is rounded off to 0 and increase 1 in tens place. Okay, see, the number is 0. In units place we are rounded up to 0 and in tens place we have 4. So increase 1 in tens place. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so other numbers are as it is we can write. Okay, so we have 75,850 is the rounding it off to tens place, rounding it off to nearest tens. Okay, and we can round it off to nearest hundreds place. Okay, nearest hundreds. So hundreds means, okay, hundreds means we can consider the tens place. What is the number here in tens place? 4. So 4 comes in first rule. 4 comes in first rule. So keep it in your mind which are the numbers comes under the first rule and which are the numbers comes under the second rule. Okay, so first rule 4. Okay, 4 comes under first rule. So in first rule we are rounded it off to 0 and then we are not having any conditions in first rule. So we are rounded it off to 0 as it is in tens and units place. Okay, so here 75,800. 75,800 is the that is estimated value for that is nearest hundreds. Okay, and then we can see nearest 1,847. So 1,847. See children, here the nearest thousands. So what is nearest thousands here? See here we should consider hundreds place. We should consider here hundreds place. So what is hundreds place? 8. 8 comes under second rule. 8 comes under second rule. What is second rule? So we are rounded it off to 0. We are rounded it off to 0 and then increase 1 in thousands place. Increase 1 in thousands place. Okay, thousands. Okay, nearest thousands. So here 8 is comes under second rule and it is rounded it off to rounded it off to 0 and 1 is increased in thousands place. Okay, so 76,000. Understood? So here we are writing zeros and 1 is increased in thousands place. So 76,000 is the estimated value for 75,847 for nearest thousands. Okay, next 10,000s. 75,847. Okay, 75,847. So 10,000s. 10,000. number situations. So what are the situations? If a few big numbers are to be added quickly. Okay, big numbers are to be added quickly. So we are buying anywhere in shops or in malls. We are going and buying some items. Okay, we have a limited money. We have a limited money. So we should calculate how much money we have to buy some other things. Okay, we have a costly things to buy. We went to malls. We are going to malls. We should buy some things. Okay, so that things are more than 3,000 and more than 5,000 and more than 7,000. Okay, so we are rounding and we can say that value for rounded into nearest tens or hundreds or thousands. We are not able to say it is a 5,461 or 7,542. Okay, like that we can't say. It is nearest values. Okay, that is estimated values. We can say the rough calculation there. Okay, so for that the very big calculations we can do. Okay, that we can say that is the outcomes of situations. Okay, we come across like that situations. Okay, so let us see that. Okay, to estimate that sum or difference. Okay, that is we come across the situations. There we are doing sum or difference. What is mean by sum and what is mean by difference? Sum means adding. What is mean by sum? Adding. We are adding the amount. What are the particles we are chosen? Okay, so which we are chosen, we should add the amount of that particles. After that only we are going to billing. Okay, so for that rough calculation, we should know how to do that estimation. Okay, to do the estimated value of sum or difference. What is mean by difference? That is subtraction. Okay, see. See here it is given. So estimated sum or difference. So the first step of sum or difference is round the numbers. Okay, round the numbers. I told now that is we are taking 2 or 3 things in anywhere in shops. Okay, so that 3 things are having. See example 4,641 and 5,722 like this. Okay, and another particle we are taking, another thing we are taking, that is 408 like this. Means we are not calculating like this. Okay, we are estimating nearest values. So it is like this 5,000 and it is like 6,000 and 500. Okay, like this we are calculating. Okay, so these are the estimated sum. Okay, estimation. We are rounded it off to calculate the values. So the first step for estimation